Well, good morning, everyone. It's Matthew Ginsberg with Jefferson Beach Yacht Sales. And today I have the privilege of being aboard ARBITRAGE, which is a 2005 Hatteras 50 convertible located in Grand Haven, Michigan, that I have available for sale. Let's go ahead and start. I decided to start in the engine room because I'm just amazed at how well kept this boat is for its age. Kudos to the owners and his team that looks after her. Starting out, we have a Caterpillar marine generator, which is an upgrade. We have twin Caterpillar C18 1,000 horsepower motors with 630 freshwater hours. Cruise air conditioning system, and again, just immaculately kept. I have been aboard a lot of boats in my time and have yet to see a boat of this vintage as well kept as this one. Just a shot on the outboard side of the motors and the battery panel. And now we'll work our way up into the cockpit area. So a very spacious cockpit, very clean lines. She does have a hydraulic freedom lift that can be removed if you're not interested in that. Access to the engine room was through here. Over here we have a sink, wet bar area, freezer box, drawer, tackle storage. Again, just a very well kept 50 Hatteras. She does have electric power under the gunnels for downriggers, should the next owner be inclined to fish. Moving over here, we have cockpit controls, as well as a hydraulic bow and stern thruster. Stairwell up to the bridge, which we'll go to in a little bit. First, I thought we'd go inside. So we enter in the salon area. We have high gloss cherry interior, Corian countertops, custom furnishings throughout, dinette. Annual oil analysis has been done on the boat since new on both main engines and generator. Here's the current report. Barrel chair. Breaker panels back behind there. A lot of natural light through here in the salon. Obviously, we're in our storage building right now, so not a ton of light due to being in the building. Large galley. We have 4 sub-zero drawer fridge freezers. Teak and holly flooring. Dual burner electric stovetop. Behind here we have a Sharp carousel microwave convection oven, and then just an abundance of storage throughout. Under the galley, overhead cabinetry, under the sink, and throughout. Comfortable salon seating. There is storage underneath the seating. TV entertainment center with surround sound stereo system, DVD player, sat TV, marine weather, all the latest technologies there. As we go down through the companionway, First off to starboard, we'll find our very nicely appointed master stateroom with a queen island berth, flat screen TV, cedar lined hanging locker, and an en-suite head and shower, again with teak and holly flooring and custom furnishings throughout. Moving forward, we have our VIP stateroom. Again, an island berth centerline, custom furnishings, flat screen TV, his and her hanging lockers, a ton of height, very spacious forward VIP stateroom. Carpet runners on the floor. Access here is to our day head. And then as we come back a little bit further, we have access into our third stateroom, which the owner originally had converted into an additional storage area. So this upper berth can be removed and it can be used for storage depending on how you're using the boat. Here we have a stackable washer dryer. And then from this stateroom, again, you have access into the day head. And then forward of that would be the shower. So a very, very nicely appointed 3-cabin 50 Hatteras convertible. Going back up through the companionway to the salon. We'll make our way back through the cockpit area. Large fish boxes. Nice wide walkways and plenty of hand supports should you decide to spend any time up forward or for line docking purposes. But just a gorgeous boat, extremely well kept, probably the nicest boat I've ever been on for its age. Plenty of luster to the gel coat, new isinglass enclosure, which we'll go up and see from the bridge in a second. Again, more of the cockpit area. Ladder up to the bridge is very easy to go up. It's not a straight ladder, it's got a curve to it. So it's actually quite easy to make your way up through it. Now the bridge has carpet. There's also carpet for the cockpit as well. We have a freezer box, cool box here, starboard side seating, forward seating of the helm area. This whole area is heated and cooled as well. So air conditioning, dual STIDD helm seats, which are in perfect condition. And then your RayMarine E120 electronics package. It's also wired into the SAT TV and 2 engine room cameras. Your Northstar 952 plotter, dual ICOM VHF radios. Again, your hydraulic bow and stern thruster, and then all your engine diagnostics there. And as you can see, about 631 hours on Cat C18s. Again, this is a brokerage boat available through Jefferson Beach Yacht Sales, located in Grand Haven, Michigan. Appreciate the time you spent with us today. If you have any more questions, we can be reached at 1-866-490-5297 or anytime at jbys.com. Thank you for spending some time with us this morning. Stay safe and have fun out on the water. Thank you.